Hello medicos. Today I will start antimicrobial drugs. This chapter is most important for all competitive examination like NEET PG, AIMS PG, FMG. So I will start today antimicrobial drug and I will also give you to the list of the chapter wise weightage in pharmacology on my Instagram profile. So follow my Instagram profile. Antimicrobial drugs. There are many classification in antimicrobial drugs like types of organisms against which primarily active, chemical structure, spectrum of activity. Antibiotic are obtained from types of actions and mechanism of action. Type of organisms against which primarily active like antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, antiprotozoal and antihelminthes. There are different type of drugs. I will discuss this in the future. Chemical structure like beta-lactam like penicillin, cephalosporin, sulfamides, quinolones, tetracycline, aminoglycoside and nitrobenzene derivatives. Spectrum of activity. On the basis of spectrum of activity, these are the two types: narrow spectrum and broad spectrum. Antibiotic are obtained from where antibiotic we will obtain like bacteria, fungi and actinomycetes. Types of action like bacteriostatic and bactericidal. Bactericidal means kill the bacteria and bacteriostatic stop the activity of bacteria. And mechanism, on the basis of mechanism of action, inhibit the cell wall synthesis, inhibit permeability of cell wall, inhibit protein synthesis, inhibit DNA synthesis and inhibit the DNA function, and finally inhibit the DNA guidance activity. So I will discuss in detail. I divided this chapter into the 5 parts. First part is the drug inhibit the cell wall synthesis. Second is the drug inhibit protein synthesis. Third is the anti-metabolite drug. Fourth, drug affecting nucleic acid. And fifth last is the drug affecting the cell membrane. Today I will discuss that the drug inhibit the cell wall synthesis. Drug inhibit the cell wall synthesis like beta-lactam drug, bacitracin, vancomycin, cycloserine and phosphomycin. So we will learn the trick B, 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 C, D. But in the place of D, we will learn F. Means B, B, V, C, F. So now I will start beta-lactam drug. What is beta-lactam drug? Beta-lactam drug like penicillin, cephalosporins, monobactams and carbapenems. Beta-lactam. Beta-lactam are drug mostly bactericidal in nature. Bactericidal means kill the bacteria and inhibit which enzyme? It inhibit the transpeptidase enzyme like penicillin. All penicillin are mostly semi-synthetic except penicillin G. Penicillin G is the natural penicillin and not effective orally. So we will give it intramuscular injection form, and it is a short acting and narrow spectrum type of penicillin. In AIMS examination, he asked about that where the penicillin G cut. So we will learn that penicillin G cut in the bond between the C and A structure of this. So it need to learn that. What is adverse effect of the penicillin? Adverse effect of the penicillin like oxacillin causes hepatitis, nephecillin causes the neutropenia, methicillin causes the intestinal nephritis, penicillin causes the CNS abnormality, amoxicillin and ampicillin causes the diarrhea, and carbapenicillin causes the bleeding. So we will learn a trick like OHNN MN PCADCB. So we will learn O no man PC add CB. You will repeat O no man PC add CB. So it's you will learn from this mnemonics like O no man PC add CB. Now I will discuss penicillin given orally and acid resistance. Penicillin given orally and acid resistance. So we make the mnemonics like vodka. Vodka means V means penicillin V. O means oxacillin, D means dicloxacillin, C means cloxacillin and A means amoxicillin and ampicillin. We need to learn all example because in most of the examination like NEET and AIMS he directly asked from the example. So example is very important. Penicillin also causes hypersensitivity. So before giving penicillin, doctor use sensitivity test. Then any no allergy occur to the penicillin. Now we will learn penicillin resistance penicillin. Penicillin resistance penicillin like methicillin, oxacillin, nafcillin, cloxacillin and decloxacillin. So we will learn mnemonic like moon CD. Moon CD. Moon like M for methicillin, O for oxacillin, N for napcillin, C for cloxacillin and D for decloxacillin. So we will learn that moon CD. These are the mnemonics for penicillin resistance penicillin. How we learn broad spectrum penicillin. Broad spectrum penicillin like ampicillin, amoxicillin, ticarcillin, carbapenicillin, piperacillin, azlocillin and magloxylin. So there are also mnemonics for this like ATC palm. ATC palm. A means ampicillin and amoxicillin. T means ticarcillin. C means carbapenicillin. P means piperacillin. A means azlocillin and M means magloxylin. So we will learn that ATC palm. These are the broad spectrum penicillin. ATC palm. What? ATC palm. And what is the mnemonics for penicillin resistance penicillin? Like moon CD. So we will learn like from the mnemonic. So it will remain for a long time. Now we will discuss that the cephalosporin. Mostly cephalosporins are divided on the basis of the generation of the cephalosporin like first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation and fifth generation. These are the division of the cephalosporin. Now I will discuss first generation cephalosporin. First generation cephalosporin. So you will always remember the trick like Fa, PHA Fa or FA Fa. In all drugs, PHA Fa and FA Fa you will find. So these are the trick for the first generation cephalosporin means PHA and or FA Fa. These are the trick for the first generation cephalosporin. So in second generation we will discuss later like third generation penicillin. Third generation penicillin you will always remember the trick IME or 10 or on 1. These are the trick for the third generation penicillin like in every like exim in all the example and on and 10. So you will learn these mnemonics. These are the third generation cephalosporin. In the fourth generation cephalosporin you will always learn the trick pi. Pi means always it written in the fourth generation penicillin. And fifth generation penicillin you will always learn the rho. In all both example rho. These are the fifth generation penicillin. There is no trick for the second generation penicillin. So please learn all example from second generation penicillin because these example are mixed from the all generation penicillin. Fifth generation is the most advanced type of the penicillin. First generation penicillin mostly used for the gram positive cocci and second generation for gram positive bacilli. Third generation we will use for all gram positive, gram negative cocci and gram negative bacilli. And fourth generation same as the third generation. So please learn mnemonics all for cephalosporin because many question asked from the cephalosporin on the basis of the generation. So learn from the mnemonic. Ceftriaxone is a drug of choice for gonorrhea, E. coli, sepsis, Haemophilus, salmonellosis, and meningitis. Like this, ceftazidime is a drug of choice for melioidosis, and cefazolin is a drug of choice for surgical prophylaxis. We already discussed the penicillin and cephalosporin. Now we will discuss the monobacterium. These are the also the beta lactam drugs and these are effective only for gram negative bacteria means these are the narrow spectrum like Pseudomonas and Neisseria. Please learn Pseudomonas. These are the very important example for examination. And always remember that monobacteriums end with the name NAM. And please learn the mnemonics like CAT, CAT, and T, cat. It is used in a patient having severe allergy to the penicillin and cephalosporin. Means those person which has allergy to the penicillin and cephalosporin, so we will use the monobactams. Carbapenems. Carbapenems are the drugs which is also beta-lactam drugs, and but these are the wide spectrum drugs. Wide spectrum drugs are those drugs which are in which we will use gram positive, gram negative cocci and also anaerobic bacteria. These are the carbapenems. Carbapenems are drugs. Please remember the trick, the name, NEM, name, always end with the NEM, name. So please remember this trick. In the monobactam, NEM, in the carbapenems like NEM. So you will remember this, and also learn the mnemonics like die for my friend. Die for my friend मतलब die MF, die for my friend. These are the mnemonics for the carbapenems. The carbapenems are the drug of choice for Klebsiella, Enterobacter and Acinetobacter. These are efficacious against ESBL. Please learn this. This is the very important examination for the examination. Example for the examination. Extended spectrum beta lactamase producing organism. So these are the drugs of choice for ESBL producing bacteria. So please learn this. Beta lactam inhibitors. Beta lactam inhibitors, there are many examples. Beta lactam inhibitors like tazobactam, sulbactam, avibactam and clavulanic acid. There is no need to learn these structure. So if you want, then you will learn this. I discussed that the drugs which inhibit the cell wall synthesis like beta lactams. Now we will discuss remaining like bacitracin, vancomycin, cycloserine and phosphomycin. Bacitracin. Bacitracin are the drug. These are used for gram positive bacteria. Means these are the narrow spectrum. These are narrow spectrum, so we use for the only for the gram positive bacteria, and it also causes the nephrotoxicity. So we use only for topical use bacitracin. Like and other like vancomycin. Vancomycin are the drug. These are bactericidal in nature. Means this kills the bacteria and inhibit the transglycosylase enzyme. Please remember this transglycosylase enzyme. These are the narrow spectrum antibiotics because these are also act only on the gram positive bacteria, and these we will given in the form of intravenous form. It is a drug of choice for MRSA. What means of MRSA? Because many examination there only written MRSA. What means this? Methicillin resistant Staphylococcus aureus. These are the MRSA. These drugs are drug of choice for MRSA, Corynebacterium jejunum. Adverse effect of the vancomycin like red man syndrome. These are the very important red man syndrome because asked in the examination. Diffuse flushing due to the histamine release. These are called red man syndrome. And also adverse effect of the vancomycin like chills, ototoxicity and nephrotoxicity. Cycloserine. Cycloserine also the drugs which inhibit the cell wall synthesis. It is one of the second line drug for the treatment of tuberculosis. For tuberculosis treatment, cycloserine also used. And adverse effect of the cycloserine causes the neurotoxic and neuropsychiatric symptoms. Neurotoxic and neuropsychiatric symptoms. Phosphomycin. Phosphomycin are the drug which inhibit the enolpyruvate transferase enzyme, and these are the drugs of choice for uncomplicated urinary tract infection. Means UTI infection. These are the drugs for UTI infection treatment. Phosphomycin. There is no need to learn this. We completed first part. So please solve this question and send the answer in comment section. And revise this video with mnemonics so you will learn easily. I will give the answer of this on my Instagram profile. So follow me on Instagram, link in bio. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, then please share and subscribe and press the bell icon for get notification. Thank you so much.